All right, so what I'm about to be working on here, this is just gonna be a yeah, little project. This is broken. So it had a crack. I think this one was cracked for a long time. And then see this one, see how like bright orange that is? That's new rust. That's a fresh break that has started rusting. Um, this one, that's been broke for a while. So this leg got stressed. It got stressed and it broke the other side. So what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be welding that back on. Now this is late 1800s cast iron. This is a wash sink made in Boston, Massachusetts, like 1896, I do believe. It's really old cast iron, and I'm gonna weld it with a MIG welder, which is not what a lot of people would say you could do. A lot of people say you can't weld cast iron. I'll just yeah, this is upside down, by the way. I'll let you be the judge of the fact it can be welded or not. I don't know. It's a really cool sink, and I'm looking forward to having it repaired. So I'll do the best I can with the angle of everything. What we're gonna do is we're gonna prep it out. I'm gonna put a mask on. I'm gonna prep it out with a grinder, all the surfaces that I'm gonna be welding, get it nice and clean, and then we're gonna weld it. So I got those prepped out. You know, they don't gotta be perfect, because I'll tell you what, I know welding cast iron, it's not perfect. It'll never be perfect, and yeah, I learned that a long time ago. So I put a ground spot right here. So I put the ground on this piece because this piece is smaller. See how big this piece is? I'm using reverse polarity.